Getting rid of a neck hump, often called a buffalo hump, involves a combination of exercises, posture correction, and lifestyle changes. So here's how to address it. Number one, you got to improve your posture. Focus on sitting up and standing up straight wherever you go. You got to think about it. Keep your shoulders back and your chin in tucked. So this is going to help you reduce the appearance of the hump. That's for the beginning. The neck and upper back exercises that you need. Okay, so look, strengthening and stretching exercises can help. Try chin tucks. Sit and stand straight and gently tuck in your chin and hold for a few seconds. Shoulder blade squeeze. Pull your shoulders blades together and hold for a few seconds. Upper back stretch. You reach your arms forward while sitting, rounding your upper back. Then your strength training. You incorporate upper body strength training to build your muscles around your neck and back. Exercises like rows and shoulder presses can be beneficial. All right, I'm going to leave all these exercises in the description. Number 4, maintain a healthy weight. So basically, if the hump is related to excess weight, a balanced diet and regular exercise can help. Number 5, consult a professional. If you're unsure about the exercise routine, or if the hump persists, consider seeing a physical therapist or a healthcare provider for personalized advice. And with consistency in these practices, you can work towards reducing the neck hump over time.